Hey class, my name is Bobby Daly. I am a teaching social sciences major here, and I'm in my junior year. My experience with students with disabilities is kind of interesting. I right now work at Dixon Middle School as a tracker, helping some of the students who struggle with school, whether it be they have IEPs or have the special needs. So I help the kids with IEPs to try and focus on them and give them that more one-on-one attention that they need that a teacher can't necessarily give. And then I also have been working with a student who has severe autism, and I just am his one-on-one aide in his class, helping him focus and helping him uh, get his work done, because that's been really helpful for him in the class according to his IEP. I love sports and being outside and just having fun. This summer I really got into paddleboarding, and that was a really fun experience. Uh, yeah, that's pretty much me.